How's everybody doing? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. A friend of mine, Mike from the States, bought me a lovely present. I've had an LL16 6-string for years, and today arrived the LL16-12 string, which is, that's just an amazing gift to get. So let's unbox it together, shall we? We'll share the magic. Share the magic of the moment. Okie doke. Look what's arrived. So my daughter has stolen the big box already that it came in, which is fair enough. There's 4 little bits of tape holding that together. Okay, hang on a sec. So, get this gone. What's it? Get rid of that box. Oh, you've got your big Allen key for fitting in the sound hole. Very important. Get rid of that. And a plastic bag. I love the gig bags that they do. These are really nice. Stand on this now. Okay. I'm kicking the plastic bags out of the way. Gig bag is really nice quality. You got your, it's like a kind of foamy thing, you know, foamy gig bag. I'll show you that in a sec. Alright, let's get that. So lay this down for a second, hold on. Because I don't want to drop it. See the top of my baldy head. Hang on a second. Take that off. Yeah, absolutely wonderful gig bag. They're very durable. Now, look at this thing. What have we got here? L series. Since 1887, tonal perfection, incredible playability, zero impact pickup, high definition, ultra dynamic passive pickup with no impact on acoustic tone or looks. So this is the LL16-12. And you can see my serial number there. So it's been checked for neck relief, string action, frets, fit and finish, pickup. Now in the factory, so I don't know what it's going to be like. Having made its way across the sea to Germany first and then to me. Okay. So top is Engelmann spruce. I think that's ebony. That's ebony for fingerboard. Beautiful gold tuners. You got your 5-piece neck and solid rosewood back and sides. And there's your zero impact pickup. Look at that. Okay, so I'll use the tuner on my phone because I haven't got my actual tuner. This gets you out of a hole, your Boss Tuner app. Looks like a Boss Tuner as well. Put that up there. We'll see what ballpark we're in. A little sharp. Close enough. So it's really boring watching someone tune, you know. Right, okay. What do you play in a 12 string when you get it? Hold on a sec. Hey, Mr. Tell me now, play a song for me. go. Okay, so neck wise, it's quite comfortable actually. I don't know what the specs are. It's gonna take me a while to get used to that again. Wow. I love the smell of these guitars because they're all solid woods. Like, but they smell brilliant. They remind me of a chess set I had when I was a kid. I got a solid wood chess set when I was a child, and I spent most of the time smelling it and not playing it. I'll have to tug at the tuning and come back. Actually, I might even change the strings because I have a set of elixirs that will go on it. Yeah, it's gonna. Wow. Alright, I'm going to tune it up and I'll be back. So I'll do a couple of quick sounds for you. I'm not really set up. I have the kids today, so they're off school because of the power cuts and things. Fit and finish, I can't find any flaws anywhere. The top kind of feels like needs a bit of a wipe, you know, it's kind of, yeah. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, the woods involved are gorgeous. Let's hear the thing. So just to go through the major chords, okay? Wow. What do you do when you get one of these things, you know? Yeah. Yeah, it's still drifting out of tune because it's so new. I would say that I'll give it a couple of days and see how that neck relief works out. The nook could come down a hair. But I mean, out of the box, that's an amazing setup. You know, if you had to do a gig with it, it'd be fine, you know. For I don't know how these people do kind of organised unboxing videos. So I'm just so excited to get at the thing. I'm all over the place. Absolutely stunning. I've owned lots of 12 strings, but this is by far the nicest one. Absolutely amazing. LL16-12. Cheers.